I'm going to be sharing with you how I transform 4 different things into something really cool. So pay attention because you can do this and many more things. This is about innovation from an invention. The 4 different things that I'm going to be working with is the hand boiler. This is made of thin glass, and of course, parents and teachers, we need to be very careful. We have to use safety all the time, supervising the children. The other one is how to make a tornado. This one is a USB car charger. And a $1 lamp. If I wrap my hand around this, my hand produces heat. The heat is going inside, and look what it is doing. The heat is going inside the space. The space becomes hot, expands, and pushes the liquid down, and the only way out is through that tiny hole that is taking the liquid up. So this is how it works. And now it is not really boiling, it is just bubbling. Okay, now what I'm going to be showing to you is now we have the liquid, and to bring this liquid down here, if I flip it over, nothing happens. All I have to do is think and say, if heat is bringing this liquid up here, now we're going to apply cold temperature to bring the liquid back here. How? I have here cold icy water, and look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Now the next thing is this. I'm going to put my hand here in this cold icy water, and my hand is becoming very cold. Now, with my hot hand, I put it on the bottom, and the liquid went up. What can I do with my cold hand to move the liquid up again? And the answer is this. 1, 2, 3. I put it here. Okay, very good. Okay, I hope that you observe and learn how this heat apply and cold temperature makes this object to work. Now the best part is this. I made something like this by using these 2 glass containers. I drill holes. I put a tiny hose that fits very tightly, and now look what is going to happen. This is alcohol with red coloring. 1, 2, 3. Same principle. And my heat is reaching inside the chamber, inside the container, expands the air and is pushing the liquid, and the only way out is through that tiny hose. I hope this was interesting for you and you learned a few things. This is another experiment that allows the students to think, to observe, and to visualize the solution. These are different things, and the title of this experiment is Put It Together with No Instructions. The students has to figure it out. And this is a very good way to motivate the students to explore and to observe details. All right, here we go. This is a power source, 3 batteries. This is the USB charger. This is the propeller, and this is a connector. So what we're going to be doing is, now remember that I am going to do this, but the students are supposed to do these things on their own if they had it. So I'm going to just pretend that I am that little kid. In this case, it's very important to follow the color code. Positive red, we connect here. The other one is negative black. We put it here. Now this thing turns on. Okay, now what we have here is, and as you can see, probably this goes here. Exactly. Okay, now, where can I connect and put this thing here? I assume that this works with electricity. We build an electrical circuit, and what we have to do is we connect it. Now, what we have here is, this is an instructor. We built it after we were following a process, which is step by step. And then finally, we created a system. And a system is different things working together. This is a $1 lamp with 2 LED lights, one here and the other inside. I will turn the light off for you to observe what happens. But before we make this thing work, I need to show you this cool invention. I separate the top part and the bottom part. And then I do this, and I see inside this tiny light bulb, and it's connected to the one on the top. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you how I remove this tiny light bulb to create a very different, very interesting lamp. And in this case, we can say I am combining art and science. Now what I have here is, I put together this $1 lamp the way I purchased it. I turn this thing on. There is here a 3-volt lithium battery. And just look at this wonderful thing. This is flickering, kind of blinking, and the one inside is also blinking. So this is an amazing thing. So what I did is, I purchased another lamp and I sacrificed it in order to get the tiny light bulb. Let me show you the tiny light bulb and look what I'm going to do with that. This is the tiny light bulb, very small. Now what I'm going to do is, I have this metal washer, and I have here the 3-volt lithium battery attached with mortar and clay. The next thing is, I put on top of that this tiny LED, and to make this thing interesting, I'm going to use as a base this piece of wood with these 2 holes that I drilled. So I put this one here, and then I put another one here. And now the best part is, the colors are going to be glowing and changing. Here I put an egg, the shell of an egg, and right here I put a seashell. Of course, if this room was totally dark, it would be more beautiful. However, I think you can appreciate how these things are changing colors. I hope that you like this thing and you learn something from this. All right, this is the last object that I'm going to be showing you how I transform this thing. This is called a terrifying tornado, and they put a special liquid inside. Probably it's not a good idea. If this thing breaks, could be dangerous for our skin. So be careful with this. So the way this thing works is like this. You have to swirl very fast like this. And as you can see, there is a little tornado created there. Now, if you liked this tornado, but you want to make one that is better, safer, and almost free, all you have to do is find a plastic bottle, add salty water, very salty water, leave this space, and all you have to do is tighten this cup, flip it over, and you're going to do the same thing. I hope that you like this video, and thank you very much for your time.